My pool has a Hayward AquaRite salt chlorinator with a T9 cell. The system nags me with an LED blinking every 500 hours or 3 months, indicating I need to inspect the cell. I can tell when it really needs to be cleaned because the salt level reading on the display will be a bit low and the chlorine production will be diminished. Right now, the system is indicating my salt level is 2900. I'll compare that to what it is after the cleaning at the end of this video. For inspection and cleaning, I shut off the filter pump and switch off the filter pump circuit breaker. Next, I remove the T9 cell by unscrewing the unions on each side of the cell. Looking inside the cell, I can see a bit of calcium buildup. On this inspection, it's not too bad, but there is still some in there. Other times it has been much worse for me, more like this. I unplug the cell from the control box to take it to a more convenient location for cleaning. I use this cool jet wand that attaches to my garden hose. This blasts through the cell. It works well for the loose debris and some of the calcium deposits, which you see coming out. The result is pretty good, but an acid bath helps clean the really stuck-on calcium out. In the past, I was just putting the entire cell into a bucket of acid. The total submersion of the T9 cell just didn't feel right to me, so I decided to make a little helper out of some PVC. I got a PVC union, a PVC end cap, and a section of 2-inch PVC pipe. The idea is to join the union, PVC pipe, and end cap together to block off one side of the cell so I can pour the diluted acid right into the other open end of the cell. The threaded union can be found at Home Depot or online as a set like this. Just make sure the size matches the one already installed on your pool equipment. I cut the PVC pipe to a shorter length, then glued the parts together to make the final product and let the PVC glue dry for a little while. I screwed the completed union to my cell to prevent any leakage. Now I can add some water and a small amount of acid and the mixture will stay inside without leaking. The calcium immediately starts bubbling away. I let it sit upright for a couple of hours. As an afterthought, I decided to put the entire contraption in an empty bucket to prevent it from being knocked over. Off-the-shelf products exist that are designed for this exact purpose. They're called cell cleaning stands. Hayward describes and demonstrates their official one in their cell cleaning YouTube video. The official one seems to be priced around $40 online. That is a crazy amount of money for that piece of plastic. I definitely prefer my cheap homemade PVC one over this at that price. However, on Amazon, I found one for 14 bucks. This is a better price, and depending on what scraps of PVC you have laying around the house, this purchase from Amazon could be a better way to go. After a few hours of letting the cell sit with acid-water mixture inside, the cell looks a lot cleaner. I reconnect my now clean cell to my pool equipment and plug the cell back into the control box. I immediately see the salt reading has jumped from 2900 before the cleaning to 3200 after. I clear the blinking Inspect Cell LED by holding the diagnostics button down for 3 seconds. Hopefully this quick video gave you some ideas for cleaning the calcium off your chlorinator cells. Check out some of my other videos for home and RV DIY projects. Subscribe if you want to see future videos like this. Thanks for watching.